Alright guys, let's see if the bike starts up. Hopefully it starts up. Please start up. We stranded in another town. That would suck. Hey, what's up guys? It's your boy Jizzy Motor Runner back again with another video. Hopefully you guys have an amazing time, an amazing day. We're commuting to the office today as well. This is another back-to-back video. I don't know if you guys enjoy me stating that. I'm just being as transparent as possible. I'm trying to like milk my rides for as many motovlogs as I can. And yeah, it's raining. We're riding in the rain. I don't know how safe I am, but hey, I haven't purchased a running car in a while, and I'm probably in the market soon. This is nothing but rainy season is upon us. You gotta be careful. Yeah, we're out that danger zone. Oh shit, I need to be careful. Shouldn't go too fast. Roads are wet. It's still early morning, so the roads are so cool too. Oh, good lord. Yeah, just vibing out and about. Who needs coffee when you got check gas and the Ronald? Yeah, just getting to work. Probably going to start the video soon, like really short because we're almost at the office. Don't want you guys to know we're at work, right? Just having a good old time, man. This last week has been hella busy, not gonna lie. There's so much stuff stacked out, so much work on my to-do list that needs to get done that I'm putting off. Just vibing, you know, just need times like this where we can get out on the ride and just ride. Hopefully it doesn't rain like a lot during the 8 hours I'm at work. Oh, it sucks. There's no covering for parking. So if it does rain, my bike's gonna get soaked. You guys think it's time to upgrade the Marauder? Legitimately, I've been thinking. I don't know. I'm in the process of getting a car soon too, so I'm trying to figure out should I get rid of the Marauder? Should I get rid of the Marauder after recording like enough videos to get by until the end of the year? Then use the money from this selling, you can get a car, use the car as a daily, record content on that for the rainy months or the months where it gets snow and ice. Because we're in Canada, like it rains predominantly like 7 to 8 months out the year, and during those times the only time I'm able to get out to ride is during the weekends. And if I'm commuting to work and probably to a couple other places, if I'm commuting more, because I've been noticing the past month I've been going out more. In summer it's been fine, but like I need to carry more things recently, so I'm thinking like, okay, it might be time for a car. I need to record as much bike content as I can, so I could use that until I save up the money for another bike. If I do get another bike, it's probably going to be, pretty much decided, it's probably going to be the cruiser. Probably in the Suzuki family, it might go with the M90, or if I'm really lucky and get a good deal, an M19R. That might be a big jump from a VZ800, so probably an M90. That's like almost equivalent of a Marauder 1600. I'd say. I think the M90 is like 1500 cc. I think, please correct me if I'm wrong. I'm probably wrong. And the Marauder 1600 is also 1600 cc. So yeah. I don't know, this is just a thought. This is just a thought I had last night. Definitely not going to get rid of bike content. Hell no, the bike content is my bread and butter. I also need a car, so I'm thinking I might... Did my bike just die? Okay, that's not good. Is this low on gas? That was not good. How the heck did the bike die? just in case, I'm gonna get some gas before I go to the office. Alright guys, let's see if the bike starts up. Hopefully it starts up, please start up. I'll be stranded in another town, that would suck. That would hella suck. Straight up, would suck. Here we go, thank God. Alright guys, I want to end this video here. I don't want any bad juju, so I'm going to end the video here and get on off to work. So thank you all for watching. It's your boy Jay signing out. Catch you on the next video. Adios.